Hello everyone, you're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. My name is Sion Tiwari and today we will discuss part 9 of 2021 NDNCDS Air Force AFCAT last 10 years of vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. In this video, we will discuss 2016 questions asked in NDA questions. So, start. The first word is urbane. It means courteous and refined in manner. Synonyms are polite or elegant, and antonyms are unsophisticated or boorish. Example: the new manager of the bank is urbane in his manners. Next word, engrossed. It is getting involved in something with full attention. In Hindi, it is किसी चीज में लीन हो जाना. Synonyms are absorbed or focused, and antonyms are inattentive. Example: she was completely engrossed in her work. Next word, laudable. It is deserving to be appreciated, praised, or admired. In Hindi, it is praशंसनीय. Synonyms are admirable, praiseworthy, and antonyms are unworthy or disrespected. Example: her behavior at social gatherings is laudable. Next word, timidity. It means lacking in courage or self confidence. In Hindi, it is buzdili. Synonyms are fearful or timorous, and antonyms are bold or confident. Example: his timidity proved costly. Next word, deviate. It means to change or become different from what is normal or expected. In Hindi, it is marg se hatna. Synonyms are digress or wander, and antonyms are continue or advance. Example: a genius tends to deviate from the routine way of thinking. Next word, dearth. It is a lack of something. In Hindi, it is किसी चीज की कमी होना. Synonyms are plenty or copiousness, and antonyms are rarity or paucity. Example: there is no dearth or talent in this country. Next word, restive. It is unwilling to be controlled or be patent. In Hindi, it is asant. Synonyms are stubborn or obstinate, and antonyms are docile or manageable. Example: when the new teacher entered the classroom, he found the pupils restive. Next word, exemplary. It is very good that can be an example to the other people. In Hindi, उदाहरणात्मक. It is like शर्मा जी का बेटा. Synonyms are meritorious, praiseworthy, and antonyms are detestable or objectionable. Example: he showed exemplary courage during the crisis. Next word, continual. It is happening again and again. In Hindi, it is nirantar. Synonyms are uniform or immutable, and antonyms are irregular or fickle. Example: he had these continual arguments with his friend. Next word, conspicuous. It is easily seen or noticed. Synonyms are visible or eminent, and antonyms are invisible or inconspicuous. Example: he was conspicuous because of his colorful shirt. Next word, severe. It is something or something that is very serious or harsh. In Hindi, it is gambhir. Synonyms are austere or afflictive, and antonyms are lenient or stern. Example: he is suffering from severe cough. Next word, shrewd. It means able to make good decisions because you understand the situation well. In Hindi, it is समझदार. Synonyms are sagacious or astute, and antonyms are stolid or unsagacious. Example: he made a shrewd guess. Next word, preceding. It is existing or happening before someone or something. In Hindi, it is purv. Synonyms are precedent or farmer, and antonyms are after or anterior. Example: these are the main points of the preceding paragraph. Next word, cumulatively. It means increasing by one addition after another. Synonyms are additive or incremental, and antonyms are decremental or diminishing. Example: cumulatively, the effect of these drugs is quite bad. Next word, deft. It means used especially about movements or skillful and quick. In Hindi, it is nipud. Synonyms are adroit or proficient, and antonyms are maladroit or clumsy. Example: he handled the machine with deft fingers. Next word, deafening. It means extremely loud. Synonyms are blaring and clamorous, and antonyms are silent or muffled. Example: suddenly there was a flash followed by a deafening explosion. Next word, retired. It means having stopped working permanently. Synonyms are pension and former, and synonyms antonyms are employed or working. Example: the servants retired to their quarters. Next word, debilitated. It means to make somebody's body or mind weaker. In Hindi, it is kamzor karna. Synonyms are devitalize or exhaust, and antonyms are invigorated or energized. Example: he was greatly debilitated by an attack of influenza. Next word, reproach. It is to criticize someone especially for not being successful or not doing what is expected. Synonyms are reprobate or reprove, and antonyms are commend or praise. Example: his conduct brought him reproach from all quarters. Next word, tactical. It is connected with the particular method you use to achieve something. Synonyms are strategic, clever, or prudent, and antonyms are impractical, unfeasible, or blundering. Example: the Navy gave tactical support to the Marines. Next word. So here video ends, and if you like this video then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant, and for PDF you can also join my Telegram channel Optimistic Aspirant, and the link given in description for joining Telegram channel. And